Introducing the Seiki 8kg front-load washing machine, a versatile appliance designed to meet your laundry needs efficiently. With a selection of 12 wash programs, this washing machine offers tailored solutions for various fabric types and laundry demands. Whether you're washing baby clothes, bedding, cotton, mixed fabrics, or delicate wool, the machine provides specific settings to ensure thorough cleaning. For those in a hurry, the Quick Wash program delivers effective results in less time. The rinse and spin, spin-only, sportswear and synthetics options further enhance its adaptability for everyday washing. The machine is equipped with user-friendly control knobs, allowing easy program selection, while the time delay feature lets you plan your laundry up to 24 hours in advance. A cold water inlet and pause button add to its practical design. The pump protector helps maintain the machine's performance over time. With a maximum spin speed of 1200 revolutions per minute, your clothes come out cleaner and drier. Safety is paramount with features like the child safety lock and a tub clean cycle to keep the washing environment hygienic. Experience the convenience and versatility of the Seiki 8kg front-load washing machine for your home laundry needs.